Ever pondered on the importance of oral hygiene in children? Imagine the power of nurturing good oral hygiene habits in your little ones, setting them on a path towards lifelong dental health. Even though baby teeth eventually make way for permanent ones, taking care of these temporary pearly whites is essential for the proper growth and health of their successors. Today, we'll delve into a simple, yet powerful method that parents can use to help their kids master the art of brushing and flossing. This technique is known as the tell-show-do method. The tell-show-do method is a brilliant strategy to spark interest in your children about their oral health. It's a 3-step process that's as straightforward as it sounds. The first step is tell. Here, the aim is to explain to your child how to brush and floss, and why these actions are crucial for maintaining clean, healthy teeth. Remember to use age-appropriate language to ensure your child understands. You can make this more engaging by explaining that they are brushing and flossing to chase away the sugar bugs that love to make their teeth their home. Next, we move to the show step. This involves having your child observe you brushing and flossing your own teeth. If they have any queries, address them by demonstrating the correct techniques. The final step is do. In this phase, assist your child in brushing their teeth every morning and before bed. Establish a regular routine so they understand this is not a one-time affair, but a daily expectation. Continue assisting them until they reach about 5 years of age. Post that, let them take over the reins of brushing and flossing, with you supervising until they're around 8 years old. One key thing to bear in mind is that a child's mouth is significantly smaller than an adult's. Hence, it's vital to use the appropriate tools for their oral hygiene habits. Opt for a child-sized toothbrush that can easily access those hard-to-reach places in their mouth. This ensures they are able to brush their teeth properly, eliminating harmful plaque and bacteria. So, to recap, the tell-show-do method is a powerful tool to instill good oral hygiene habits in your children. Start by explaining the importance of brushing and flossing, then show them how it's done, and finally, help them do it themselves. Remember, you're not just teaching them a daily routine, you're setting them up for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Now, how's that for a parent win?